Welcome to our exploration into the future. Today we're examining unleashing the power of drone AI, revolutionizing the future. As we stand at the intersection of artificial intelligence and drone technology, we're witnessing a revolution in the making. The evolution of AI has been instrumental in propelling drone technology to new heights. One of the key concepts we'll be exploring is computer vision. This isn't about giving drones a pair of fancy glasses. It's about enabling them with the ability to process and navigate their environment in real time. Imagine a drone that can learn and improve with every flight, becoming more efficient and accessible. That's the power of AI in drones. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As we delve further, we'll discover how these advancements are transforming numerous sectors. Drone AI is not a simple concept. It's a combination of high-performance image processing, neural networks, and more. To fully understand it, we need to delve into its mechanics and see how it makes drones so smart. At the core of drone AI is computer vision. This is a technology that enables drones to see and interpret the world around them, similar to how we humans do. But how does it work exactly? Well, computer vision analyzes visual data captured by the drone's cameras and sensors. It then extracts meaningful information from this data, which the drone uses to make decisions in real time. Think of it as the drone's eyes and brain working together to process and understand its surroundings. Now, you might be wondering, how does a drone decide what to do with this information? That's where neural networks come in. Neural networks are a type of artificial intelligence that mimics the human brain's own network of neurons. They enable drones to detect objects and track them with precision. But there's more to it. Neural networks also allow drones to learn and improve from each flight. They do this through a process called machine learning. In simple terms, machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. For drones, it means learning from previous flights and adjusting their behavior accordingly. So, if a drone encounters a situation it has faced before, it can use its past experience to handle it more effectively. In essence, neural networks and computer vision are the dynamic duo that powers drone AI. They work together to give drones the ability to see, understand, and react to their environment in real time. And because they can learn and improve from every flight, these drones are always getting smarter. So this is the technology that allows drones to operate with a level of sophistication and autonomy that was previously unimaginable. Now that we've understood the mechanics, let's explore the real-world applications of drone AI. Today, the magic of AI is breathing life into drones, enabling them to do much more than just fly. One of the most prevalent uses of drone AI is in the field of security surveillance. High-performance image processing and neural networks allow drones to accurately detect and track objects, providing a bird's-eye view of large areas that are hard to monitor from the ground. The result is a marked increase in security and a significant decrease in the manpower needed. But that's not all. Drones are also revolutionizing the delivery industry. Imagine ordering your favorite meal or a critical medication and having it delivered to your doorstep by a flying robot. That's not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality made possible by drone AI. By learning and improving in real time, drones can navigate complex routes, avoid obstacles, and deliver packages swiftly and efficiently. In the realm of weather forecasting, drones offer a fresh perspective. Equipped with AI, they can fly into extreme weather conditions, gather data, and provide insights that were previously unattainable. This not only enhances the accuracy of forecasts, but also helps in early detection of natural disasters, potentially saving lives. Lastly, let's touch upon military operations. Here, drone AI is a game changer. It's enabling unmanned aerial vehicles to carry out high-risk missions without putting human lives in danger. They can perform reconnaissance, target identification, and even damage assessment with precision and speed. From security to delivery, weather forecasting to military operations, AI is making drone flights more accessible and efficient, transforming the way we live and work. As you can see, the possibilities with drone AI are vast and transformative. AI and drones, a combination that's revolutionizing the future. But what does that future look like? As we gaze into the horizon, the potential of drone AI is boundless, primed to restructure industries and create opportunities previously unthinkable. Imagine a world where drones empowered by AI are an integral part of our daily lives. They could serve as our personal assistants, fetching groceries or delivering packages right to our doorsteps. Or perhaps they could be our silent guardians, patrolling our neighborhoods and keeping our cities safe. Moreover, the impact of drone AI extends beyond domestic use. In agriculture, AI-powered drones could monitor crop health, optimizing yields and reducing waste. In disaster relief, they could swiftly navigate through hazardous environments, delivering aid where it's most needed. But to unlock this future, ongoing research and development is paramount. Every day, scientists and engineers around the globe are pushing the boundaries of what drone AI can achieve, enhancing their ability to process visual data, navigate complex environments, and learn from each experience. The future of drone AI is not simply about what it can do, but how it can change our world. The revolution has just begun, and the sky is truly the limit. The power of drone AI is indeed formidable, and we are only at the beginning of this revolution. We've delved into the intricate mechanics of drone AI, how they use computer vision and neural networks for processing and navigation. We've also explored the myriad applications of this technology, from security surveillance and automated delivery to weather forecasting and military operations. But what truly stirs the imagination is the future of drone AI. The technology is in a constant state of evolution, learning and improving in real time, opening up a world of possibilities that are as vast as they are exciting. The sky isn't even the limit anymore. So let's keep our eyes on this thrilling field as we stand on the cusp of a new age, an age where drones powered by AI will revolutionize our future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more insights into the future. Until next time, keep imagining the unimaginable.